Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something called Shipwreck. They had it at the Wynn buffet not too long ago. A friend of mine told me all about it. So I'm here to try and duplicate it and see how we do. We're going to start off with a baking dish. And we're going to add one package of Simply Potatoes, diced potatoes. If you don't want to buy the package, you can dice your own potatoes. That's fine. Put a layer on the bottom. Spread it out evenly. Then you're going to use about a half a cup of frozen peas. And you're going to spread those out as evenly as possible. Next, we got 1 pound of ground beef, 80-20. And we're going to put down a layer of that. Break it up as much as you can so you get a nice even cook. And spread that out as well. Now, once we have the ground beef spread out evenly, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper and some granulated garlic. And while I'm doing that, if you can remember to please like, subscribe, and share the channel, I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you all coming back and watching. Now, once we get that meat seasoned, we're going to take about half a bag of Sargento cheddar cheese, shredded, and put down a layer of that. You can use any cheese you like. I just happen to have a package of the shredded cheddar, but I think pretty much any cheese would work well here. Anyways, once we get this cheese spread down evenly, I've got 1 bell pepper that I've diced and 1 white onion that I've diced. You can use white onion or yellow onion. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you like. But I'm going to spread down the bell pepper first. And then we'll come back and spread the white onion. I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So once we get the white onion spread out, then we're going to come back with 1 more package of Simply Potato diced potatoes. And we're going to spread that on top. And then we're going to finish off with another layer of cheese on top of those potatoes. Oh, I almost forgot. You can use a can of tomato sauce. I used a can of Rotel for a little bit of extra kick to the Shipwreck. So I'm going to cover that on top and then come back with the cheese. Spread it all over. Then I'm going to put a piece of foil over the top. Pop that in the oven for 90 minutes. After about 1 hour, I'm going to take it out, take the foil off, put it back in for the final 30 minutes. But the total cook time will be 90 minutes. And once it comes out, you're going to have a real delicious dish that's cooked in 1 pan, which is nice because you don't have to do a lot of dishes. And it's very delicious. All right, give this one a try. I think the kids will like it too. It's called Shipwreck. Thank you very much.